Hi, today I want to talk to you about how much this dryer will actually hold. It's the Magic Chef 2.6 cubic foot. I have discovered that if it will fit my wash machine, it will absolutely fit my dryer, even if the washer is full. Now I have some towels and washcloths in here, and they are washed. You can see it's pretty full. Let's see what we got in here. They're pretty packed together, and some of these towels are pretty big. Okay, I have 4 large towels, and I have 3 washcloths there. That will definitely easily fit into this dryer. The dryer takes approximately 2 hours to dry, full load. I'm not going to talk about cleaning the lint screen or anything like that. There are various videos on that. Now, if you're interested in a dryer like this, don't get it off Amazon, don't get it off eBay unless you find a really good deal. You can order these from Home Depot, from Walmart, and they're around $285, something like that, or $289. So it's much cheaper ordering it from your local Walmart or Home Depot. That's quite a big load of clothes there. Now understand that now these are towels, so they're heavy and they're big, and they'll fit in here with no issues, and they'll dry within probably about 2 hours. I've already tested this with blue jeans. Like I said, I have discovered that if it will fit in our wash machine, it will fit in this dryer without an issue. So let me go ahead and throw this stuff in the dryer. Now right there, that dryer, I don't know if you can see in it, isn't even halfway full. So yes, this dryer will hold a lot of clothes. Anyway, I just want to talk about how much room it holds. And once again, if it fits in our washer, it'll fit in our dryer. So it's a good little dryer. It is extremely large as far as wide compared to our washer. It's not that deep as far as going back. Remember, if you're going to put this in the house and you're going to use the elbow on the back, give it a few extra inches, like 6 extra inches. And you can see up there, it's actually moving that bag up there. That's how powerful that vent is on the back. So it holds a lot of clothes. Anyway, I just wanted you to see how much it actually holds. Our washer was full. We do have a small washer Gravity drain unit, full automatic. And it was pretty full. I mean, that's like 3-4 towels plus washcloths, and there's still plenty of room in the dryer. So that's it. I'm fixing to go, and everyone have a good day. Bye.